How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our dual memory Striker traffic advisors. So we offer these units in our Striker 6 and Striker 8 sizes here, and both of these units will have the same features and functionality. And when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your cable harness here, and on your cable harness you'll notice a connector, and this is to be used with our optional direct control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your cig-plug here for power, which you can cut in Hardwire if you'd like to as well. And then you'll have your aux line here, where you can hook up an additional 10 amps of extra lighting all off of your direct control box. So let's go ahead and get this light bar hooked up and go over the functions. So for example here, I'll be using our Striker 8 in amber, and I'm using my optional direct control box, which I plugged in via connector. And then I went ahead and hooked up my cig-plug here for power. Now on my direct control, I have my power button here, which will activate my switch box. Now since this is a dual memory version, I'll have mode 1 and mode 2 with 2 flash pattern memories. So in mode 1, I have a half-half style flash pattern programmed, and in mode 2, I have an alternating style flash pattern programmed. And then I have my pattern button here, which I can use to cycle through my pre-programmed flash patterns, whether I'm in mode 2 or in mode 1. Now moving over here, you'll have your traffic advising features. So you'll have center out, you'll have left right, and right left. And then let me go ahead and go back to center out here. Now while you're in your traffic advisor, you'll also have multiple flash patterns to choose from, which you can use using your pattern button here. So if you'll cycle through your traffic advising patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like, and then you do have memory recall in your traffic advising features, and then also in your modes. So you'll have multiple flash pattern memories. And then here you have your slow to fast function, which will work whether you're in your traffic advisor or your warning mode. And then here you have your aux button, and then here is your night mode. Now let's go over night mode. Now when it comes to our night mode, this will only be applicable on our optional direct control. And there's 2 ways to activate your night mode. You can either activate your night mode via a button here on your control box, which will activate your red backlight LEDs, or you'll see a white cable coming from your cable harness. Now let me go ahead and deactivate my button here. Now when the white cable has power, you'll see that will activate your night mode and those red backlight LEDs. And then your button will become inactive. So you can either use your white cable or you can use the button. And then you'll see when you activate your functions on the control box that your buttons will illuminate blue while you have your red backlight there. So you'll see you have the perfect option of choosing between hardwiring your night mode, or if you're not using the white cable, you can simply use the button on your control box. So we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating, and we do have our customization tool if you do need a custom color setup for your vehicle. So for example here, I brought our Striker 8 in amber, and then here I brought our Striker 6 in red blue, and here is a green clear alternating. And you'll notice all of my light bars are on different flash patterns, but all of these light bars will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, along with your dual memory with mode 1 and mode 2, and your traffic advising functionality. When it comes to mounting your unit, you'll notice a slide track on the back of your unit, and we do have multiple mounting options to choose from our 90-degree suction cup, our 360-degree suction cup and L bracket, our static headliner bracket, adjustable headliner bracket, and our surface mount end caps. And you'll also see our windshield visors as options as well. So that covers our dual memory Striker traffic advisors. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also check out our interactive players to fully demo your unit before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.